Everyone keeps saying AI is coming for your job, that virtual assistants are about to be replaced. That couldn't be further from the truth. AI is actually about to create the biggest earning opportunity virtual assistants have ever seen, but only for those who stop competing with AI tools and start managing them. What I'm about to share is the exact strategy that's positioning VAs to double their rates heading into 2026. Here's what's really happening behind the scenes. Executives are overwhelmed. They've got one AI tool handling their calendar, another drafting emails, another summarizing meetings, and another organizing files. Instead of saving time, all these tools are creating chaos. Nothing connects cleanly, and decisions are slipping through the cracks. What they don't need is another shiny app. They need a real human who understands how to make all these systems work together. They need someone who can integrate AI into their workflow in a way that actually makes sense. I saw this firsthand a few months ago. A client was dealing with a furious investor, and their AI email tool sent what it thought was a professional and friendly reply, but it completely missed the emotional subtext. The situation didn't need an email at all. It needed a phone call. That single mistake almost cost a seven-figure deal. That's the difference no AI can catch. Context, relationships, judgment, and timing still require a human brain. This is where the shift happens. In 2026, people who just complete tasks will be interchangeable, but people who build and manage systems become partners. Your value is no longer about doing the work manually. It's about knowing what should be automated, what tools to use, how they should talk to each other, and when human judgment needs to override the tech. You're not managing calendars anymore. You're managing intelligent systems. And when you solve higher-level problems, you get paid higher-level rates. This isn't theory. I made this pivot myself. I stopped selling general admin services and repositioned my offer as AI-enhanced executive support. I increased my rates by 50% overnight, and my clients didn't hesitate. Why? Because I removed the complexity and stress of AI from their business. I became the strategic bridge between the technology and their real-world goals. If AI scares you, you're looking at it the wrong way. The opportunity isn't to avoid it, it's to master it. That's exactly why I created Premium VA Skills. It's designed to help you become the AI integrator businesses can't replace. We cover both the technical systems and the human skills that automation will never replicate. It's time to stop being task-focused and start future-proofing your career. Click the link below and start charging what you're actually worth.